amplifier repair. So give you some little hint about the trouble of this amplifier. The problem is the channel 2 is no audio. See? So no audio output, only channel 1 after a long time troubleshooting. Oh, so I give you some idea sa mga beginners. You can use this technique sa mga veterans, sa mga master. I know it's easy, very easy trouble sa mga master. So after long hours, stop and trouble and stop, Facebook, chatting. So I found the suspect. So by using oscilloscope, signal generator there, multimeter for testing voltage. So I'm using a signal tracing. So using my signal generator, I have a signal there. You can see there, left and right. So the amplifier is this amplifier. The customer said he bought it from the USA, but at the back you will see that there is what is this? There's where is that? There. Engineered in Japan, designed in the USA. Engineered in Japan, designed in the USA. Engineered in Japan, designed in USA, but made in China. China. The boards looks like the Sakura. The parts the same. Look, the board just the same as the Sakura. See? So design in Japan. Engineered in Japan, designed in the USA. So engineered and designed. What's the difference? So made in China. So after a long hours, couple of hours, stop trouble. Okay, I found the culprit, you guys. So there's the problem. So after troubleshooting from input, tracing the signal to the input of the amplifier, output input of the amplifier, tracing the input. So it pointing this wire going here. So now I found the problem. So it pointing to the potentiometer, so no contact at all. Okay guys, so let's power the one. So you can see that. So this amplifier is from the USA, as mentioned by the owner. It is from the USA. Power on. See. Okay. The signal is going up and down because of the 1 kilohertz signal. So here we can trace we check the output of the, you will see the signal there. So we'll volume up. So there's a signal in the channel 1, and the channel 2 is no signal, so there a little signal only. So the channel 2 is channel 2, channel 1, or channel 1 and channel 2. So I found a problem in here. So in the input, so it is the this is the output going to the amplifier. So I'm going to check the input. So volume up. We're going to volume up. Sorry guys, kasi I'm holding my phone. So I'm testing here input. So we see there's a wave there for the channel 1 on the left, on the right. I see there's a wave also. So channel 1 and channel 2, there's a wave, but going to output there's no wave at all. Channel 1, then channel 2, no output. So tracing here from the input to going to output, there we have a signal, and here we have the signal. So volume, we have also the signal. In the other side we have no signal. So there you see guys, we have no signal here. So here we have signal, here input, and the right, yeah, but the output is gone. Okay, so we found the problem. The problem is the potentiometer. So this potentiometer guys is what is this? This is pre-output, pre-out. So this is pre-out, and the other potentiometer is the sub-out. There's a sub-out. Okay, here in the two potentiometer, so we have our magnetometer. So the old one, they have 13 mega ohms. Amazing. So our new one is 46. So this is a 50 for the second channel. 52. But in the center tap guys, 20 mega ohms, 18, 17 mega ohms, no center tap. So our new center tap, we have 47. So in the other channel, we have 45. So in the we have 800 ohms, almost 1 key. 600 ohms, almost 1 key. So this is defective. So we have to replace this one potentiometer. Okay, so we already replaced the potentiometer, guys. So okay, then we have to test there, so output is ibutang niya, so we already have output. So our amplifier output very minimize. Output speaker there. So volume. So we have already there's the output speaker per side. Okay, oops, hey. What the meaning of this? Okay, balance. I'm going to use multimeter if they are balanced. So 2.3, 2.4. Okay, 2.3. Okay, small difference, 2.3, 2.4. Okay.